Hi, good evening or good morning, wherever you are. Today, I just wanted to explain a complicated financial instrument, which is called the credit default swap in layman's terms. Uh, because primarily the purpose of this YouTube channel is to simplify things. So let's go straight to the topic for today. To simplify what a CDS or credit default swap, let's say uh, you are a manager of a certain fund. So let's say this is the fund of some people who have retired and they wanted to grow the fund that they have. However, the instruction is you can only invest that money to something that is not risky because they will lose their funds if something goes wrong, right? However, uh, when you invest on something that is too safe, then the returns are not that much, right? So you want to balance things out. So, so let's say you lend the money to a certain company, but this company, let's say, is rated double B, meaning uh, they're not that safe when it comes to paying you back because they're not rated A or double A or triple A, right? So to reduce some of the risk, you enter into a contract with an insurer, which you will pay, let's say, 10% or 1% of the interest payments that the original lender owe you on a monthly basis. So let's say you lent $1 million to that double B rated company, and that company will pay you 10% of 1 million each month. And a part of that 10%, let's say 1%, you pay an insurance company so that should the lender is unable to pay you, that insurance company will take that responsibility and pay you. So in short, you are quite safe. Uh, you lose a little part of the payment on a monthly basis, but your money is safe, safer because of the insurance that you got from a third party. And that's what we call credit default swap. Hopefully, I was able to explain it in a simple way. But before we end, guys, I just wanted to show you this. I was cleaning my room earlier and I found this one. It's actually a certificate for my father. He attended a seminar in 1982 on accounting. And I'm proud of this. I'm proud of my dad. He's no longer with us, but it's nice to see something like this unexpected. So that wherever you are, good job, and we miss you. Thank you, guys.
Tune into the leadership law.